Hi, welcome to Crafternoon today. I'm going to be showing you how to do a cardboard car out of a box so you can do a cardboard drive-in at home. If you have cats, I definitely recommend the first thing to do before you get started is just to kind of get it out of their system. This is Oscar. You want to say hi? Just kind of get them used to and familiarize themselves with the new boxes. Say hi, Malcolm. All right, while they're exploring, I'm gonna go over the materials list. So definitely have some scissors and a pencil, some random cardboard. I'm gonna use, I have some recyclables here for maybe headlights, who knows, we'll see how it goes. So paper plates make really good wheels, and they also make a good steering wheel. And if you have brads, which are these things right here, the brads will be able to let things move around so you can actually drive the car. Markers to decorate. I have different kinds of tape to decorate. Some googly eyes, you never know when you're gonna need those. I have some things I found lying around the house. My husband had a project and he cut out circles from a Tupperware and he said, "Do you need these?" And I was like, yeah, totally, save those. You never know. Ruler, definitely with a parent, an X-Acto knife. It makes cutting through cardboard much easier. I got some wooden dowels just in case. Maybe it's an antenna. And we'll get started. Definitely have a glue gun on hand too, in case we need to really secure something. And just be careful. It could be hot. I have a low temp glue gun, which is very helpful. One thing that are good to have are some Chanel sticks or pipe cleaners. Do you think so too, Goo? Yep. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is determine what's gonna be the windshield. So I'm gonna pick this side of the box as the windshield, and I'm gonna have to use my X-Acto knife to cut off the rest of the sides. When you're cutting, make sure if you're gonna cut on a rug or a floor that you have something underneath it. You don't cut through. Save these pieces because you might need them for other things like a license plate. And there we go. So now I'm going to cut my windshield out. So you can use a ruler and make sure you have a pencil. Let me measure this out. Malcolm's supervising, I see. Am I doing an alright job, Malcolm? He doesn't know yet. Left about 3 inches on the sides from the front. Right. Good. Sometimes you might have to go over it with the X-Acto one more time to make sure you got clean cuts, especially in the corners. Ta-da! All right, so here's where the wooden dowels come in. If your windshield's a little wobbly, you can take some clear packing tape. Take the wooden dowel and then tape it on. There we go. So next you're going to do the door. You can do 2 doors or 1 door. Depends on how many you want. For the door, I usually just Casey. Cut like a partial rectangle in there. Like so. All right, now that you've got the car figured out, pretty much you can start doing the little accessories to it. So first thing I'm gonna do is take a paper plate and a brad, and I'm gonna make the steering wheel. So I have a smaller X-Acto blade I can use to help me out here, and I just poke a little hole through, put the brad through, and then I'm gonna say probably in the center here, poke through. You wanna drive? All right, and there you go. The good thing about the brads are that you will be able to move it around instead of using a glue gun. So next I'm gonna do the headlights. So I'm gonna use these 2 cups for the headlights. All right, so now I'm gonna glue gun on the headlights. Make sure you hold it on until the glue dries. A little crooked, huh? Oh well. All right. Now we're gonna work on the license plate. So you can write anything that you want. You can make it as big as you want. I'm gonna cut this, it's a little too big for me. Love to read. All right, and then same thing, I can take make a little hole. All right, looking good. Trying to look like a car. Okay. Now if you have more paper plates, you can make the wheels. You can do, I'm gonna do 2 wheels. another brad. Stick it through your paper plate. You're not moving. Okay.
Whoa.
Hey, you're gonna get cut. Oh, you're gonna get. Did you get cut?
No, he's fine.
Are we still filming? Okay. This is why Marissa does the crafts. Alright. Ta-da! There's a wheel. Now you can think about what other things on the car that you can replicate, like a fuel gauge. So, I'm going to do my fuel gauge. And then if you have pipe cleaner, you can make a movable arrow. I'm going to take another brad. Put the brad through. And I'm going to wrap the Chanel stick or pipe cleaner around the brad. Make sure it can move. Alright, and there we go. I have my fuel gauge. You can also do a speedometer. Are you still in there? Get out of there. It's for your own good. All right. Fuel gauge works. Okay, now you can work on doing some decorating. You can use some markers and decorate the outside of the car. Give it some cool pinstripes. Also put stickers on the car. If you want, you can put maybe some tail lights on it. And then I have a lot of different color tape I can use to add a little color inside and out. All right, I forgot to add the second wheel. All right, so now we're gonna clean up a little bit and test them out. Okay, your favorite snack. Wanna be in there? Come here. Beep, beep. Thanks for watching Crafternoon. See you soon.